Hi Amira, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
So, how are you doing? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Are you excited for this class? Are you excited to learn new types of drawing?
Yes.
Very good. So, we will be starting our drawing. I want you to divide your paper. Just fold it like this. Just fold it and press it from the center so that you get a midpoint and draw a straight line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly keep your camera on so that I'll be able to see you. Are you able to see my paper clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Are you ready with this middle line? See, hold your scale like this and just draw a line in the middle of the paper. Okay? So it separates paper into two parts. Have you separated it? Amira?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you separated it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just separating it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've drawn a line.
Okay. So we are going to learn about shapes. You know there are many kind of shapes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In which grade are you, Amira? Grade 1 or grade 2?
I'm in grade 2.
Grade 2. Very good, my dear. So you might be knowing the shapes like circle, triangle, rectangle, and square, right? Right.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to learn about these four shapes: circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. Okay. So first, with the help of a bottle cap, with the help of a bottle cap, at one side, the parts which we have separated, at one side, with the help of a bottle cap, draw a circle, draw a circle with the help of a bottle cap. Have you drawn?
What, ma'am?
Have you drawn the circle with the help of the bottle cap?
I'm just, I'm just trying it, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Yes, I know. I am just writing in the chat box what heading you need to give it. Okay? I am
Okay.
just mentioning in the chat box. So, see, I have written it here, introduction to shapes. Only on one side of the paper, write it, I have written in the chat box. Okay? Introduction to shapes. Right. Introduction. Introduction to to shapes. Shapes.
Ma'am, can I add a second line because I want to learn about circles, triangles, and squares.
In this way you have to write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. You can write in your handwriting.
Ma'am, can you show the spelling?
Can you operate the chat box?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you operating from mobile or from laptop?
I'm in the laptop.
So in laptop there is a message icon. So if you click on that icon, you will be getting my message.
But ma'am, I don't know how to open the chat box.
Okay, you write the spelling I for India, N for nest, IN,
I N
T
T
RO
R O
D
D
UC
U C
TI
what?
TI T for tiger.
T
I
I
N O N.
N.
Yes. Then give a little bit of space and write two TO2. Again give little bit of space and write SH APES.
I'm done making lines, ma'am.
Okay. Now have you drawn the circle with the help of your bottle top?
I will get it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't find the bottle, so I bought this.
A bowl?
No, it's this.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
we have to do in the circle.
Yes. We have to do nothing in the circle. So what do you observe which is in circle shape in your day-to-day life? Yes, my dear.
What, ma'am?
What do you observe which is in circle shape in your day-to-day life? Where you see circle?
I see it.
Where you see? You don't see
I see
circle
it in the left.
in the
Left.
lift, right? What is written on the circle there?
There's nothing in the circle.
Okay. You don't eat round chapatis,
I get it.
so it is circle, right?
Yes.
Yes.
There's
Have-
also a bag. There is three holes in the
Okay.
bag. That is a so circle.
Yes. Have you seen? Have you seen the sun?
And maybe when our camera is off, then uh, our name starts with a letter. That also is in a circle.
Okay.
And I also have circle beans.
Okay. So now what we have to do? This circle we have made with the help of I have made with the help of the bottle top. Now I am going to make with the help of my hand directly. How I will make? See. First draw a C. First draw a C. Have you drawn? Then draw opposite of C. Okay?
Okay.
Ulta C.
Which side? This side or this side?
Join it and draw. See, join it and draw opposite of C. So with the hand, if you want to draw the circle, it will come like this. Okay. Now we
In
will
the
turn and keep. We will draw the sun rays and keep. So that we will remember that round is the sun. Sun is always round, right?
yes.
It is not having shapes like moon, na?
No.
It is always round. Okay?
Round.
Yes. Now we are going to draw square. We are going to draw square. So this is my scale. Do you know how to read a scale? See, in your scale it is written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the numbers are written.
Yes.
Huh. So from we are these numbers are called as centimeters. Okay. So from 0 to 1 will be 1 centimeter. From 0 to 2 will be 2 centimeter. Every time we start, we are starting from 0. Okay?
Yes.
Understanding? Yes.
Yes.
So now just place your scale below the circle which we have drawn. Okay? From 0 to 4. Mark from 0 to 4. Just mark 2 points. At 0, 1 point. At 4, 1 point. And then join those points with the help of the line. Hold your scale. Okay, so your line will come straight. Understood? See, my
Yes.
line has come very much straight. Now again, this side. Both the sides also we want 4 centimeter. So we will mark first 0 and 4 and then draw a line like this. See my dear, I am drawing reverse. Do you know Hindi?
Yes.
Yes. मैं उल्टा ड्राइंग बना रही हूँ ताकि आपको एज इट इज कॉपी करना है. ओके. मैं
Okay.
ड्राइंग हमेशा बच्चे लोगों के लिए उल्टा बनाती हूँ. वो लोगों को ऐसे ही कॉपी करना होता है. ओके.
Okay.
आपको समझा बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So you have to draw first the circle we have done. Now we are drawing square. Okay. Two sides of the square we have done. Are you done? Two sides of square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the third side. First we will do the side. Again we need 4 centimeter line. Okay. So 0 mark a point. 4 mark a point. And then draw a straight line. Always try to keep your scale at that place and hold with the another hand. Okay. So that your scale will not move and your line will come straight. Are you done?
I'm done, ma'am.
Now the downside which is remaining. Again it will be 4 centimeter. So 0 and 4. Okay. Mark 2 points and join the line. So we got a square. In square all the sides are equal, right?
The square is not circle.
Yes. So we have drawn equal sides. Okay, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now when we draw with the help of our hand, we just have to draw sleeping lines, two sleeping lines, same size, then join the standing line. Understood?
Done, ma'am.
Where do we see square in our day-to-day use? Do you see square anywhere in your day-to-day use? Do you see? Amira,
Yes.
where do you use square?
We use square in our page like this,
Okay.
and we use it mm, in a notebook like this.
Okay. Yes. Your notebook can be square, but your
And
textbook
also
will be,
in a table
yes. Table can be a square table. Now,
or a
you know
chair.
what? You know what? We are going to draw a rectangle now. See the difference between square and rectangle. Again, take your scale. First, mark 2 points from 0 to 4. Okay? 0 to 4 and draw a line like this. Okay. Now, see what we have to do. Now, side line, just mark from 0 to 2. Just mark from 0 to 2 and draw side line. This one. Are you able to see mine? If not, you can keep your laptop screen up. You
Okay.
can keep your laptop screen up so that you are able to see clearly, my dear. Why are you not taking scale? Take your scale.
But ma'am, I don't have scale.
Okay, okay.
And I also know how to make straight lines like this. First I make it pulta pulta and then I make it straight.
Okay. So now again another side will
Because
be,
my hand don't work like that.
see, this is the way we are making the rectangle. The another side is also 2 centimeter, but the line, this line is 4 centimeter. So in a rectangle, always two sides are equal, opposite sides. Two opposite sides are equal. Okay?
Okay.
Again, with the help of the hand, you can draw small rectangle. You know, square can be your TV. Okay, so square can be your TV or your computer screen. Rectangle can be your TV remote, your mobile phone. It is rectangle,
No, ma'am.
right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, again, draw a straight line and take a middle point in the center up. This we are going to draw triangle. So opposite sides we have to make slanting lines. But your slanting line will be starting from that middle point like this. Okay. Again here we are making a small triangle. What do you see in triangle shape?
What, ma'am?
What do you see in triangle shape?
Uh, I see. I see a pencil.
Okay, very good. Also the mountain.
Yes.
Yes. So, uh,
And
what, my dear? Are you there, my dear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, draw a another side. Draw a sleeping line like this.
And ma'am, I made a pillow. Triangle.
Yes. Very good. Good observation. Draw a sleeping line like this. Another side, another side of your paper. Draw a sleeping light like this.
Okay. Like this.
Show me. Yes.
Now,
See, we are drawing a draw here a straight line. I mean a sleeping line only. Okay?
okay.
Yes.
Done.
Just a second. Draw a sleeping line here. Done.
No, ma'am.
Only one sleeping line we need, like this. Then take a midpoint up. Okay, up take a midpoint, and from that midpoint join the slanting line. Okay, so
Okay.
it will be which shape? Both the sides when you join. Which shape we get? Which is this shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. Very good. Yes. And now here again two small triangles. Two small triangles. Got it?
Okay.
Done this much?
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Now again we have to draw half circle. We have to draw half circle. How? Like this. This is what? Half circle.
Half circle.
Yes. Okay. Then here draw full circles. Two full circles.
Okay. Done.
Yes. Now here draw two standing rectangles. Standing rectangles. Standing rectangles.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Now here again you have to draw a triangle, but the triangle should be upside down like this. Upside down.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Very good. Now just take these two free lines, wavy lines, these two free lines like this,
Done, ma'am.
and Just two small lines like this. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to draw a square here down. So one line and two line, one and two, like this.
Done.
Very good. Very good. Now, can you draw on the another page? Can you draw this part down and show it to me? This part. Can you draw? My dear, are you able to see?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Draw the back side.
Yeah. First, we have to draw the triangle.
Okay. Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then draw the rectangle. It is a house what we are drawing. Okay.
Done.
Yes. Then at the middle, draw a standing triangle.
Done.
And on the two sides, two small squares.
I've already read.
Show me. Show me. Okay, very good. And up here, draw a sun like this.
I've drawn it.
So, okay, very good. So, this we will color it tomorrow. But this one, can we color it now? Yes?
Okay, bye, ma'am.
You don't want to color it now?
I want to color.
That's what I'm saying. Let's color this one now. This one. House we will color it tomorrow. This which we drawn. Are you able to see this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do the coloring now. Which color you are going to do to the body, apply to the body? My dear, which color are you doing?
I'm doing the peach color and the triangle.
Okay.
And in the very small triangle from the mouth, I'm doing black. I've done it now.
Okay. And to the half circle,
Uh,
first do this.
I will color peach in the half circle too. Because I'm
Okay.
making peach from the body.
Okay. So that house part we will color tomorrow.
But
This we will
I'm
color
coloring the green, uh,
where
the triangles down half circle.
the square.
Mm, no,
Then
I am coloring the what is the triangle up
two small
downstairs.
triangles.
After downstairs the triangle, there's
Two
a
small
half.
triangles.
What?
These two small triangles.
I'm coloring mm,
Which color?
prasa and green.
Okay.
I just have to tear the wrapper because it's little bit of empty.
Okay. You can color even the shapes what we have made. Okay, only the house part we are going to color tomorrow. Okay, are you listening to me? Okay, I have colored the circle. Now square, triangle and rectangle is a homework for you. You have to color it on your own. Okay, my dear? So let's meet tomorrow. Bye.